What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion, back today doing another video. We're in Moab. The boys are helping set the trailer up. But we got an air compressor, so what better time to unbox them and get one when we're in Moab. It's a Smitty built, I forget which model. Feels like an alright pouch. So I'm gonna actually go use it, and then I'll let you guys know how it works. So we'll continue on the adventures of Moab. Guys, we're stuck in traffic. There's a wreck way the frick up there, and we can't get into the frickin' Canyonlands National Park. So go us. Go amazing trip. And Zach got a hole in his tire, so we gotta go fix that real quick. What's up, guys?
Oh no.
Oh no. Alright, guys, talk super loud because I got a waterfall. Arches is closed, so we're just exploring. Pretty sick so far. Lots of red rocks, a lot of waterfalls. Hopefully you can hear me. Well, we're gonna go to the next place. Alright, guys, so a little bit of an update of adventure. Still day number 1, technically 2, but we got here at 1 a.m. so didn't film any of that. Freaking had a bunch of problems. We're at Delicate Arch. I'm trying to stay out of the wind up here in this rock, but you know, infamous Delicate Arch. That's probably be it for today. I might come back up with an update for tomorrow, later today, but if not, we'll see you tomorrow. This is my first time ever being in Moab, so thanks for watching. Guys, the boys have arrived. There's Travis right there, Keith, Zach, Tanner, my little sister Elizabeth over here at Delicate Arch. If I can zoom out. Hopefully the wind noise is not too bad, but the boys have arrived. Alright, guys, here's your little tip of the day. Best thing about Delicate Arch: walking around after a big hike and turning the corner. It's freaking sick. And then you got this huge drop off. Whee! You walk down this thing. We'll zoom back into regular. Freaking sick. No guardrails. Dude, that's gnarly. Alright, full send it.
It's just a little too, because there's...
Well, going through the other hole, and I'm gonna film the whole thing.
Yeah, just leave it like that. Yeah. Somebody else's turn. Oh my gosh. I'm tired now. Ready?
Yeah.
Good workout.
Oh, we might need me to help you again. Send it. Fold. Yeah! Woo, we got in. Back up and get your tires straight.
Digging it.
Back it up. You might have to go slow. Nope. That doesn't work. Go fast.
Yeah! It's like those Baja events.
Just stop. You're digging a trench. Okay, do it again.
Oh, you're digging.
Okay, back again. One more try. You got this.
Yeah.
That's a terrible one. Do it again. All right, Keith. Depends on the time. All right, well, here are some photos. This is my RC car. It's an axial bomber. Here's another view, the back angle of it. And then here's Keith's car, and he's the one who had all the videos of it. But then also, here's some pictures of us heading out the day before. If you paid attention in the video, I said I showed up about 1 a.m. because we traveled out the night before. This is that early that morning. There was actually hot air balloons all over around us. It was freaking amazing to wake up to, especially because we were traveled all in the dark, so I didn't see any of the surroundings. But then when I woke up and I got to see all this amazing surrounding, all these red rocks everywhere, so many cliffs, edges, Here's a little hike that we went on with all the guys. And here's a bunch of pictures from the little hike. And you did see a little video I filmed right by this waterfall. Here's a little watershed area we found on the side of the mountain. This is just above it. You could hear water rushing through it. It's super, super cool. Here is a bunch of photos from the hike in Arches National Park. It's freaking amazing. That's where you really get all the red rocks and everything out of the way. Gotta have delicate arts. It's a freaking classic. Utah's very, very much known for it. I love this. This is my favorite picture over everything. All right, guys, we are back the next day. We're exploring the Colorado River's right behind us, and we're in a canyon and it echoes. Echo! I don't know if you get that on thing, but it's pretty sick, bro. Boys, we out here in a canyon. No signs of life. All super desolate. Like this rock wall's pretty big.
That is funny.
I think it's even funnier watching them get out. Ready? Woo! You go next.
So that hurt.
Feel good? Devin, feel good?
Going again.
No.
It's too shallow.
Woo! Go, Zach! How'd it feel? Full send or no send? Alright, right here is actually the only clip and the only drive I went on in my truck to go trailing / off-roading. The entire Moab trip, everything else we did hiking and exploring just around. I am by myself, which is why I didn't go off-roading while I was down in Moab, really. Because I like to go in a group, just in case someone gets stuck or someone has a problem, I don't have to worry about it. Alright, and again, here's a bunch of pictures from earlier today. There was a first gen 4Runner, first gen Cummins, first gen Tacoma, super modded out like crazy. Here is a picture of the river we had to cross to get up to the hike where we were jumping in the water. This is a picture from when we went off-roading on that little trail I went on. Just another view angle of that picture. Here's an obstacle we had to go over. It was a really steep hill. The picture does not do any justice. Gotta have a picture of me in my truck. And here's a picture of me driving home from it. Gotta go to the Walmart parking lot with the swimsuit on. All sorts of funny outfits. Alright guys, I hopefully you enjoyed my little trip to Moab this Sunday, right after this video. So in 4 days, I am going to have the rest of the trip, going home, and all the other funny pictures, updates with this video going on that upload. So hopefully enjoyed today's all the adventures of Moab. Yes, we're going to go a lot more crazy on off-roading and other adventures soon. So hopefully enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.